In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy link on Shopify. If you're just getting your store ready to share with the world, the very first thing you need is your store's public link. This is the web address that customers will visit, and it's the same link you'll use for promotions, social media, and emails. Let's walk through the simplest way to get it, so you're confident you're sharing the right URL every time. Start by opening the Shopify website and heading into your Shopify admin in a web browser. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar for the Sales Channels section. You'll see Online Store listed there. Next to Online Store, there's a small eye icon. That eye icon is the Quick Preview button. It takes you straight to what customers see. Go ahead and click it. Shopify will open your storefront in a new tab or window so you can view it live. With your storefront open, look up at your browser's address bar. The full web address you see there is your store's link. This is the one you'll share. It may use a Shopify-provided domain, or if you've connected a custom domain, you'll see that instead. Either way, it points to your storefront homepage. A quick sanity check. Make sure the address does not include the word admin. If it does, you're looking at the back end, not the public site, and you don't want to share that. Also note that if your store is still protected, visitors may first see a password page depending on your settings. That's normal while you're prepping for launch. Now simply highlight the entire address in the browser's address bar, copy it, and you're ready to paste it wherever you want to promote your store. Drop it into your social media bio, include it in a post or story, add it to your email signature, send it in a text message, or place it on your business cards. If you've set up a clean custom domain, it will look professional and be easy for customers to remember. That's all there is to it. Open the Shopify website, preview your online store with the eye icon, copy the link from your browser, and share it anywhere you want to promote your brand. Keep this link handy, save it in your notes or pin it in your team chat so you can grab it quickly whenever you need it. Thanks for watching and happy promoting.